Hello, in this jQuery video I am going to show you how to select every single element on the web page. So we've got this little bit of code here which selects the div element. I'm going to just comment this out, and to select every single element you just put quotation marks, asterisks, and that's it. That selects every element. Whatever you want to do afterwards, whether it's .click or change the CSS properties, attributes, you can do all of that. I'm going to cover all the different things you can do once you've selected a element in a separate video, so feel free to check that out. So if I just do .click just to keep it simple, function, so we're going to run a function. And here we go. I'm going to do console.log. And I'm going to say all element selector. So if I save that, reload, I click that, and as you can see, it works as well. So you might be thinking, why is it getting triggered 3 times? And look, if I click on the body, it gets triggered as well. And the reason it's getting triggered 3 times is everything, and it's propagating down. So clicking that will trigger the body, and it will trigger the HTML as well. So that's just something to bear in mind. Generally speaking, click events you probably don't want on everything. This is useful maybe if you're applying some sort of CSS after in jQuery or in your JavaScript file, and you want to quickly apply it to everything. Maybe you're changing the font style or the font size or everything, then this is useful. But what I'm going to do in separate videos is show you how to target each individual element based on different properties such as classes, IDs, children element or parent elements, all of that really cool stuff. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.